The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Trying to up the run rate there, a very loose shot in the end. That is a very quick single taken. They're converting 1s into 2s and 2s into 3s here. That is excellent running. That is lovely timing from the batsman.
In-form fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge-of-the-seat thriller here.
It's nicely timed. We'll only get 1 though. He's calling for 2. That's poor running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.